Righto, in this episode, the boys and I headed up to Moreton Island, Queensland. We had a heap of bad weather on the forecast. We nearly pulled the pin with a bit of a cyclone hanging around. We decided to take the gamble and run it anyway. A little bit of carnage with the boat, but we had a cracking time. We got up to a heap of diving, fishing, touring, surfing, did a full lap of the island. Grab a beer, tune in, it's going to be a hell episode.
Loading up. Look at the size of this thing. 3:30 a.m. Absolutely chocking this.
We're on a time schedule, we've got to move. We're late, I'm stressing.
Righto. We have officially made it on the MyCat. It was a absolute mission. We towed what did we tow? 5 tonnes worth of boat and car. Yeah, we're on our way over to the island. Look at the columns.
Righto, so this is where the carnage unfolded. Coming off the MyCat, Jack was freaking out about getting off the boat, but he made it off no worries. Don't know what he was freaking out about. And as you can see, we weren't so lucky. Dragging the big cutting edge boat off the MyCat, we run into some clearance issues. We thought we might have had dramas here, and we did. This trailer's 9 metres long, very long drawbar. We had to pump the front Julies back up to 80 psi to give us that tiny little bit of clearance to get off. Nearly thought we were going back to Brisbane at this point, but the blokes on the MyCat were unreal.
Back up about 6. That's it, beautiful.
They grabbed a couple of timbers, jammed them under the tyres, and we managed to make it off with only minimal damage to the rollers.
You're good, bud. You're good.
Not the best way to start a trip, but shit happens. Nothing a beer can't fix. The boys helped us get it off the barge, and we made it onto the beach, no worries.
Absolute fuck show just went down. Look at this. We just snapped the fucking rollers off the trailer. Nowhere near enough clearance.
Oh, sorry Jacko, I'll definitely be paying for that one, eh? That's so fucked. That's really shit me.
It was only a minor bit of damage, nuts and bolts, nothing a bit of bush mechanics and a beer can't fix, and we carried on. If you do decide to take a big boat to Moreton Island, we recommend the Northwest Camp Zone. We did a bit of scouting before we went on this trip and decided that this was going to be the best fit for us with the boat and the ski. It's about 500 metres to 1 kilometre, straight hard left off the barge, straight into your campground, no inland tracks, no clearance issues, no trees to damage your boat.
Hey! You see that tree?
Probably the easiest run, so keep that in mind. If you're thinking of towing something up to Moreton Island, this is probably the best for you.
We just pulled up to the camp for the night. It's probably the best beach camp I've ever seen. Trousey reckons he's seen tuna busting up. I heavily doubt it.
He's the biggest trouse.
He loves it though. He does love it. Do you see him or what, Trouse?
Yeah, I do see it. He's got shit fucking eyes for it.
Yeah,
There's
the
no
pollen
way
apparently.
anything of that pollen. You need to fucking train the eyes to see it. It's years of experience.
Shut up.
You're snapping rollers, you're not seeing fish, and you're snapping rods.
For those that don't know, Moreton Island is a fully self-contained island away from the mainland. There's plenty to see and do. There's inland tracks, there's coast tracks, there's lagoons, there's sand dunes, there's wrecks, the lot.
On! Jess, it's on!
It's a hell trip, whether that be for a week or a weekend or even just a day trip.
Oh my god! Alright, just tuna blowing up everywhere in front of the campsite. So Jack and I are going to launch the jet ski and go and have a look and see if we can catch one on the light gear. So fingers crossed we can. The epic little spot, cast, catch and fucking eat mission. So.
Dude, check the bus stops. Oh! Fuck me, dude. My drone's gonna get smacked by a bird any second.
That was a fucking long tail. That's a fucking long tail, surely. Let's go. Got a bit of urgency here. Right, we just seen a school. Boost towards it.
Yeah, go now, go now, go now.
Fucking in there. I'm so in there. Yep.
Let's fucking go. You want me to chase him?
Let him run. Look at this.
Let's go, baby. Woo! Right, good fish. Not a bad little fish. Full tuna circles. Straight off the campsite. You're getting down up, Trousy.
I'm getting fucking cow up.
You're getting railed, mate. Nice, on the GT ice cream, baby.
Straight out the front of camp. We knew we had to do it.
Let's go.
Oh, the trinkets, the fish, the whole combo. Alright, we're loading up. Loading up the esky. Removing the beard so you know it's serious now. Get him on ice so he's fresh as a daisy.
Bit of slurry.
Alright, let's go. Joust is raring to go. Go get Joust one now. Coming in on a big school tuna here. Right, we're currently floating around. There's tuna just occasionally popping up around us, but they seem to be pretty scared of the jet ski noise, so we're just drifting. Big Bacories! Huge Bacories!
Come on, come on.
Come on, Joust. Come on, Joust. Hit it, hit it. Come on, hit it. Oh, oh, Joust! Joust! Oh! Holy fuck!
Oh my god, dude! Oh my god, bro! Wait, this is a better Victorious, bro. Oh, you should feel the tuna bumps on this, bros. Round and round he goes. Nice, yeah. Help. That's it. Yeah. Get him. Yep, that's it. Yeah, looks good. Nice, yeah, on the ice cream. What's popped out? Steer him in. Big steer. Good.
Imagine that was a bit of sweat. Never got that. Just a little setup.
Just light yourself, bro.
Bitch, hang on a second. Good.
You look amazing with that light.
Right. That's actually fucking up.
It's recording. Righto, so we're all here, ready to go get brekkie. Cameron likes to take a bit of time to do everything he does, so we're all sitting waiting. All he's got to do is put the rooftop down, and we're just wondering how long it's going to take.
Calling a fortnight.
Jack's saying a fortnight, Trouse.
40 minutes.
40 minutes, Code's probably
30 minutes.
30 minutes, a bit realistic. I'm probably going to go somewhere in between 30 and 40, 35 minutes till we're leaving. But we'll see how we go. He's up there now dicking around, so no good. So
Can't be having any sand in here, man. That's not happening. Clean car at all times. Clean car's a fast car.
righto, we are off to go and get some brekkie from the shop and have a bit of a look around. Hopefully have a surf. See how we go.
We are going to take the boys on a bit of a tour today. I've been here, grab me a seatbelt, sorry. I've been here twice before. This is my third trip to Moreton, so sort of seen it all, done it all, and yo.
You're a motherfucking bitch.
Fuck you, Jess. Dropping in. Oh yeah, nice and slow. Just collapse that bank down. Doink. Too easy. Jess hit that a bit fast. Classic Jess. Hit that with a bit more speed. So we're camping in the northwest zone, so we've just come straight north up the west side of the beach to go to the Castaway shop. So we've come in, taken the Cowan bypass because you can't come straight up the beach there, pop back out on the beach, and now we take the little Bulwer bypass road into the shop. It's got everything you need, food, fuel, beers, ice, the whole show. So you get a bit of hot food there, it's got everything. Welcome to Castaways. Tidy little joint, have a go at that. Coffee, meals, drinks, groceries, forward ice, bait, tackle, souvenirs, glamps and units. Have a go at that.
Coming here, soy sauce for the tuna, unreal tunes. No one else can.
Potatoes,
tuna veggies.
pumpkin.
What
tuna,
about a
tuna
thing?
veg.
What about some sachets of rice? What about cook some rice? Tuna rice.
We're not going to the gym here.
It's delicious. Tuna rice and soy.
We're on holidays. That's too healthy.
No, it's not. It'll be good.
We get some deep fried chips or something.
Fried chips.
Deep fry some stuff.
My ass. I've been eating sausages for the last week.
No. No. Come look at this. Come look at this. Are you joking? Look. We've done it. Fucking excited.
Holy shit.
Not bad. Little eggs Benny.
You see what's...
Alright, we've just left the Castaway shop at Bulwer. We're heading north up the west side to go and check out the North Point, see if the boys can get a little bit of a wave. It's blown to the shit house out the front here on the west side, which is unusual considering how protected it is. But it's blown to shit. We'll go and see how the surf is. I don't think we're getting the boat or the ski out. Just see what happens. Play it by ear. Play it by ear. That's all we can do.
Righto, we just rocked up to the North Point. Just the fattest, longest, like right-hander, just kind of peeling across in this shit weather. So pull up, wax up, riding 40 litres here, quaddie. It's a bit of a kook spec board, but plenty of buoyancy, plenty of volume, just to glide along these fat burgers, hopefully. So let's see if we can get a couple. Rightio, so we're going to do a bit of sashimi for some of the tuna, and then we're going to cook the rest of it. So we'll just portion up a few of the nicer pieces, and then we've just got all-purpose on it as well. We haven't got much else to work with here, so. You like sashimi?
Fucking tender, eh?
All right, cooking up. Caught 500 metres from the front of camp, fresh as it gets. Bit of tartare on a wrap. Everyone stoked?
Oh yeah.
Let's enjoy the view, have a beer. Conditions are looking incredible. So we're just about to try and launch this big boat, see how that goes. Everyone's a little bit nervous to actually see how that's going to play out because it's such a big boat on such a low trailer. But
I won't go down this ship. Yeah, that's heaps better, Camo.
Righto, if you are taking a big boat like us and you're looking for a spot to launch, on the west side, head down to where the MyCat pulls up. It's dredged right out, it's nice and deep, easy to get the trailer deep enough to get the boat off. We tried a few other spots and had a bit of trouble, but this is definitely the go.
That's the spot. Put up.
That was easy as when we found the spot, but just took a little bit. Next will be stop.
50. That's 50. How's your arm? Go.
I can't. Am I going? Yeah. Let go. Oh my god.
Another tidy little spot, southwest side of the island. It's called the Gutter Bar. Make sure you call past. Unreal spot for a feed of fish and chips and a cold beer. Cheers, boys. What a trip. Alright, that's the trip pretty much come to an end. We're just about to board the MyCat. Jack and I are both in the cars. I'm running an empty trailer. We've decided to drop the boat in the water and just punch it back to Brizzy in the boat. So Cody, Gus and Trey are doing that while me and Joust take the cars, just to avoid the fucking shit show that happened on the way here coming off the barge. The MyCat blokes are actually really good. They actually gave me a ring and said that we've got a way to get it on, yada yada yada, and I just said no, we'll just avoid the potential shit show. So they were really good about it, can't complain about them at all. That was fucking unreal. But yeah, we're just about to roll on now. I'm gonna go upstairs, get a can of Coke and a pie and cruise for half an hour, and then we'll meet the boys at the boat ramp in Brizzy, throw the boat on, fix the rollers and hit the road for the next 10 hours.